Hello Bladers! Maintaining your car is not cheap. It usually takes a lot of change oils and fluid checks that are not exactly friendly to your wallet. However, with all these things, we all know that maintaining your car is a necessary evil if you want it to last for a long time. As such, some people really try their best to bring their cars to car maintenance shops regularly. However, what some people don't know if they can actually maintain their cars even if they are on a budget. Not sure how? Well, here are a few tips. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are the tips on how to maintain your car on a budget. Number 1, cap price servicing. Look for a dealer that offers this type of service. Though it won't necessarily save you money, it will help you foresee how much money you need to allot for your regular maintenance. Number 2, aftermarket repairers. You don't necessarily need to go to your dealer to get the best service. Try looking for a mechanic with good reviews who offer services at a good rate. It's usually less expensive to go to them than dealers, especially if it's just a flat tire or something that's not that big. However, keep in mind that if they need to change something major to your car, it might rig the warranty. So better be in the loop in the whole process. Number 3, do it yourself. It pays to research about the best ways to take care of your car. It not only helps you with the cost, but it also helps for unexpected occurrences like when your car suddenly stops in the middle of the highway, right? Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.